Want to start making money with Amazon without selling your own products? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through Amazon Affiliate Marketing 2025. How it works, how to sign up, and how you can start earning commissions as a complete beginner. My name's Jay, and on this channel, Affiliate Made Simple, I break down affiliate marketing into easy, actionable steps so you can start building an online income straight away. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's start from the beginning. So Amazon has a program called Amazon Associates where you get a special link so you can promote products. Here's how it works. You share your affiliate link, someone buys through that link, and then you earn a commission, which is typically between 1 and 10% depending on the product category. The best part, you don't need to deal with shipping, inventory, or customer service. Amazon handles all of that. You just drive people to Amazon, and when they buy, you get paid. Getting started is completely free. Step 1, go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Click sign up, and then you'll log in with your regular Amazon account. Step 2, fill out your account details. They'll ask you where you plan to promote your products. Don't worry, you don't need a website to get approved. A YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, or even a Pinterest page counts. Step 3, add your payment details so Amazon knows where to pay you. Once you're set up, congratulations, you are officially an Amazon associate. Now you're signed up, the question is, what should I promote? Here's the simple way. Go to Amazon's bestseller page. Here's where you'll find all the trending products across many categories. Focus on niches that people already buy from regularly. So you've got tech gear, fitness gear, home and kitchen, even beauty and self-care. Once you find a product that you like, head over to your associates dashboard, find the product, and then click Get Link. This is your unique affiliate link. Insider tip, don't just promote random products. Search for products that actually solve a problem or that people are actively searching for. Now let's talk about promotion. Now this is where most beginners struggle, because what they do is just post random links and just hope for the best. This does not work. Instead, create content that provides value. Here are 3 ways in order to do this. YouTube Shorts or TikToks. Demo a product. Show before and after results, or make quick Amazon finds videos. Always mention link is in the bio. Pinterest or blog posts. If you like writing, create top 10 kitchen products on Amazon. Social media reviews. Share product reviews on Instagram or Facebook. The key is simple. Share why the product is useful and then guide people to your link. And remember, always be transparent. Add a note like, this is an affiliate link. I may earn commission at no extra cost to you. Transparency builds trust. Let's do some quick math. Say you promote a product that's $50 with a 4% commission. That's $2 per sale. It doesn't sound much, right? But if 50 people buy your product in a month, that's $100. And the best part? Many people don't just buy that one product. If they add more products into that cart during that session, you'll earn commissions on the entire purchase. That's how small wins add up. Consistent purchases and consistent sales. Let's do a quick recap. So 1, sign up to Amazon Associates. 2, find a product to get your link. 3, promote them with valuable content. And 4, earn commissions every time someone purchases through your link. Now you know the basics of Amazon affiliate marketing in 2025. And to make this even easier for you, I've put together my free ebook, Amazon Affiliate 101. Now you can grab this in the link in my bio. It covers everything that I've shown in the video in more detail. Now, if you found this video helpful and you've enjoyed this kind of content, hit that like button and subscribe for future tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to drop a little comment in the comment section and let me know what product you're gonna promote. I'd love to hear your ideas.